Alright, everybody, we are live, and this is Max, a kitty cat.
The black cat, the black and white.
He was born not that long ago, like 2 months ago. So
2 months ago.
yes, he was.
Actually, no, like 4 weeks ago. I'm not old.
Well, anyway, oh, there's Socks, and that's Derp. That's the artist of this,
Yes.
and this is the Max, a kitty cat. Come here, Max. Max. I don't know, but I'm struggling to get Max. Like, Max, come on, Max. Max is just a very calm cat. Yep, no, Max, no! Max, where are you going? We're gonna watch Socks go outside. Benton.
Crappy remake.
The crappy remake. Dart, let Socks outside. She's begging.
What are you doing?
She's begging to go outside. And off she goes. And one of her young ones are right behind her. It's Max. Oh yeah, by the way, if you watch this video and you like it, please subscribe. And I will do a GTA 5. How long can we survive without? How long can we survive on killing the cops without any mods on that I have? No mods. And I'll do it with my broken arm. Yeah. So, yeah. Subscribe. And I will do that for y'all. I am serious. There's the mother Socks, and there's the father Kayak, and there's the son Max. They have a daughter and 2 sons, and these are my nice shoes. And that is Derp.
Do you really think we should post this on YouTube?
Yes, I totally think we should. Except I need to edit some things. And there's a nice hummingbird that just zoomed in by us. And that is the artist. That concludes today's video.
Pointless.